This is so nice, y'all. Hey you guys, good morning. So today we're going to be going to LA and I'm going to be bringing you guys with me. Vamos a ir a LA porque necesito que me hagan mis uñas, así que los voy a traer conmigo. Hey you guys, so I haven't really explained exactly why we're going to LA, but basically we're going to be going to LA for a day because I'm getting my nails done and also because we've never been to LA, so this should be a fun little day trip. So yeah, that's kind of the reason why we're going. We're trying to get some food while we're down there, so we're just going to see where the day takes us and you guys are going to go with us. And honestly, like, I'm so glad we take risks like this and we just do whatever makes us happy because we learn so much in the process and we have so much fun. So if anybody's watching this, go ahead and take a risk and take that trip. Bienvenidos a mi canal, you guys. Así que no acabé el video de martes cuando fuimos a, bueno, miércoles cuando fuimos a LA. Así que les voy a explicar un poquito de lo que hicimos, a qué fuimos y van a cocinar conmigo porque hoy vamos a cocinar tacos de chorizo. Y si están viendo este video van a ver que casi no me pongo maquillaje cuando estoy en la casa, pero voy a intentar de arreglar un poquito más para los vlogs. Pero díganme abajo si son como yo, cuando están en la casa nunca se ponen maquillaje. Hice agua de horchata y sabe riquísima. Así que tengo mi aceite en la parrilla y ahorita voy a poner el chorizo. No se les olvide ponerle un like, suscríbanse y compartan este video. Hey you guys, happy Saturday. So I think I'm gonna be editing and posting this video up for you guys today. We're going to a networking event and we actually haven't had any networking events this first week in November because we've had such a crazy week. As you guys saw, I went to LA. We went to go check it out for a day. I got my nails done there and it's just been a crazy week. So I want to share a couple of things with you guys that happened with my business. We actually signed our second contract for my company for a 3-month contract for social media. So I don't know if you guys want more like advice like on contracts or any of that sort of stuff, so let me know down below. And especially if you're like in the social media services or anything, like this is something that I just kind of discovered, but you can make a contract for anything. So if you're an esthetician, if you're a beauty, like you can literally make a contract for anything, so take advantage of those contracts. And also, I don't know if I said this, but I actually went to LA this week and we went to a couple of thrift stores. I want to say, I always forget the name, Goodwill. And I found this, it's from Pretty Little Thing, so I'm gonna leave it down below, but it was $12 and it's so cute. I love it. I have been like really consistent with the gym, you guys, lately, and I am super sore today, so that's why I really want to take a chill day today. And Saturdays I usually clean and go to the gym, but today I am super sore, you guys, so I'm literally just gonna spend the day editing and watching some shows. So I have a quick story time for you guys, but it's so funny because whenever I record, like this ear like pops out. And funny story, when I was younger, my mom used to tape this ear back so it could like go back. So yeah, am I the only one that notices it, or do you guys be noticing that? So I'm gonna take you guys with me, so let's go. Okay, you guys, no sé si les hemos dicho, pero yo y mi novio nos queremos mudar a una casa. Entonces ahorita vamos a ir a un open house tour para una casa y les vamos a enseñar. Les voy a enseñar mi outfit porque encontré esta chamarra de una tienda que fuimos en LA, pero es de Pretty Little Thing. I know the lighting is terrible, but this is the outfit. This is from Pretty Little Thing. This is a bodysuit, but I didn't tuck it in. And then leggings, I actually got them at Goodwill, thrifted them too. And then for shoes, I got my comfy Adidas shoes. I don't know what style they are, but I just know that I got like a new Adidas version and they're super comfortable. I don't know if we're going to be allowed to record, but we just got to the open house tour, so I'll try to show you guys a little bit. This is so nice, y'all. Y'all, this house is so freaking nice. So this was one of the bedrooms in the house, and I really like the window by the bed. Okay, so if you guys didn't know this, like I love a good shower, and let me show you guys this shower. This shower was a little bit small, but I do like the marble inside of the shower. That was really nice, and I like that detail. So me personally, I do want like a yard with real grass. This was actually the aisle next to the backyard. I couldn't record too much of the backyard, but the backyard was okay. Okay, you guys, so we just got home. I'm actually pretty tired, so like I said, I'm going to be editing and doing some work for the rest of the evening that I want to get done. So I'll show you guys that, but don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys like this type of video, don't forget to share this video, or let me know down below what else would you like to see from me. Pero los veo en el próximo video. Bye.
Edit, but Rob is taking it to a whole nother level. I think that